In this video, we will be learning how to find available property to show without scheduling an appointment with a listing agent. This function is available for all property types. For the example of this tour and this video, we will be looking under single family / condo, the RE1, RE2 property type. Once you click your preferred property type, scroll down and find your additional fields section on the bottom of your MLS. Click the word Add. Review your available fields on the left-hand side and scroll down. We're looking for the available field called Showing Instructions. Select Showing Instructions and click Add. Once Showing Instructions is on the right selected field columns, you can click back. Your MLS is now ready for the additional criteria, but it's also ready to pull up data and only properties that you're able to show without a listing appointment